In this video, I will be showing you how to install and use Claude Code desktop app on Windows. So let's get started. So the prerequisite is going to be you must have a paid Claude AI plan, okay? And in case if you're already having the desktop app, you can directly use Claude Code in it. So for this, just search for Claude Code. We'll be having the official link over here. Just select it. And as you can see, we can use Claude Code in all these following applications. And in case if you're already having the desktop app as well as a paid Claude plan, we'll be having this code option enabled for you. Okay, so for this, just click on this download for Windows, and the setup will be getting downloaded, just 6.7 MB in size. So just open it, and we'll be getting downloading and installing Claude. Just be patient for a while. We will be getting Claude for Windows. Just click on get started, and here we need to sign in. So make sure that you are signing in with the account that has a active Claude paid plan subscription. So you may be directed to the browser where you need to sign in, and as you can see here, I'm having the pro plan of Claude, and for me this code will be enabled. So if I click it, here we can select a folder from local and start using it, and this is the Claude Code GUI. We are having the models, the overview, and we can even like select a folder and start using it. Here we can change the model as our choice. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.